Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn how to see the battery cycle count and your battery health on your Mac. macOS lets you check your battery health, maximum capacity, condition and the number of charge cycles your Mac battery has gone through. There are three easy ways to check this. First, let's see the basic battery health information directly from system settings. Open settings on your Mac. Now click on battery. Next, click on the information icon next to battery health. Here, you can see the battery health information of your Mac. This is the easiest way to quickly check your battery health from settings. But if you want to see both the battery cycle count and more detailed battery information, there are two more methods. The first method is using system information. Open Spotlight search on your Mac. Search for system information. Now open it. From the sidebar, click on power. Here, under the health information section, you can see your battery's maximum capacity, condition, and cycle count. For example, my Mac is still new, so the cycle count is only 4. This is the best method if you want to see detailed battery information without using any commands. Finally, if you want a quick way to view the cycle count without navigating through the interface, you can use Terminal. Open Terminal on your Mac. Now enter this command and press return. System_profiler SPPowerDataType. This will show your full battery information. Scroll through the results and look for the health information section. Here you will see the cycle count and battery health status. This is the same battery information that appears inside system information. These are the three easy methods to check battery health and battery cycle count on your Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful Mac tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.